Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me for this 15-minute full body morning practice. I have it as a morning practice because this is going to feel really nice for loosening and warming up the muscles, bringing in that energy for the day, but you can practice this at any time of the day that you want to. You don't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, and whenever you are ready, let's begin. Okay everyone, so let's begin by meeting in seated in the center of our mats. Take the hands onto the knees and relax the shoulders down and away from the ears. We can close the eyes here and just start to take a few deep breaths, drawing the breath deeply in through the nose and exhaling fully out through the nose or the mouth. Just taking a few deep breaths here, just allowing yourself to find your center, to find your stillness. And then after your next full exhale, gently open back up through the eyes, and as you inhale, go ahead and reach both hands all the way up to the sky. Bring the palms together at the top and exhale your hands through heart center. Nice, take another big breath in, reach the hands all the way up and stop at the top. Take a few deep breaths here, grounding through the sit bones, reaching the fingertips up as high as we can. Big breath in, and as we exhale, cactus the arms, the elbows come to shoulder height, shine your chest up to the sky, maybe look up. Taking a few big breaths here, squeezing the shoulder blades together at the back, and then release back through center. Take another big breath in here, and as we exhale, drop the right hand to the floor and reach the left fingertips all the way up and over. Just taking a few deep breaths here into the left hand side of your waist. And then inhale, come back through center. Exhale, straight to the other side. The right fingertips reach up and over. Connecting to your breath. Reaching the fingertips away. And then inhale, come back up and into center. As we exhale, drop your hands behind your lower back. And a few different things that we might do here. We might interlink the fingers and take the knuckles down towards the floor. We might start to lift the arms away from the low back. Or if it feels good, maybe take hold of opposite elbows. Whichever position you have found yourself in, it's important that we roll the shoulders back, that we open up through the chest. Take one more big breath in, and a full breath out. And then release and come forwards and meet me in your tabletop. Onto the hands and the knees, wrists under shoulders, knees underneath the hips. And we'll just take a few cat-cows here. So as we inhale, we point the tailbone up, drop the belly, look forwards. As we exhale, round the back, chin to chest. Inhale, belly to the earth, open up the shoulders. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest. Just rolling through the spine here a few times, forwards and back. And then after your next full round of breath, we're going to bring the toes together, open the knees nice and wide, and as you exhale, we're going to round the back but sit the bum all the way back towards your feet. As we inhale, we're going to roll the body forwards, just hovering slightly off the mat, and then inhaling to lift up. Exhale, roll yourself all the way to the back of your mat. Inhale, dragging the body forwards. Exhale back. Inhale to come forwards. Just bringing a deeper sense of movement now into the spine. Only this time getting the shoulders and the hips involved. It should feel more like a full body experience here rather than just the back. And then the next time that we exhale and we send the bum back to the heels, we'll stop here and we'll meet in a child's pose. So stretch the fingers forwards, drop your forehead down to your mats, and take a few deep breaths into your lower back. Nice. After your next round of breath, start to lift yourself all the way back up into your tabletop. Spread your fingers wide, tuck the toes under, and lift the hips high. Meet me in a downward facing dog. And we might start to pedal out through the feet, just bending each knee at a time. Let the head hang nice and heavy, no tension through the neck. And then come back into stillness. Knees can be bent or straight. Take a big inhale and a full releasing exhale. And then bend the knees, look forwards, and make your way to the top of your mat, taking as many or as little steps as you need. And when we get here, take hold of opposite elbows. Let the head hang heavy. And just start to sway the hips side to side. Releasing any tension or stress away from your upper back. And then eventually come back through center, release the elbows, and slowly roll all the way up into standing at the top of your mat. Nice. On your next inhale, reach the hands all the way up to the sky and stop at the top. Just like we did when we were seated, think about reaching the fingertips up, lengthening the arms away, lengthening the sides of your waist. Take a big breath in, and as we exhale, cactus the arms open. Press your hips forward, shine your heart up to the sky. Squeezing those shoulder blades at the back. Take one more full breath here. And then release back up through center. And exhale, swan dive forwards, bend the knees, come into a forward fold. On your next inhale, straighten the legs, find a halfway lift. So the hands can come anywhere onto the fronts of the legs, but we're trying to straighten the backs of the legs as much as we can, trying to straighten out through the knees. Roll the shoulders back and look forwards if that feels good. Hold it here for 1 or 2 deep breaths. And then as you exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands to the floor, and step your left leg back. Keep the toes tucked under, but drop the left knee to the floor, and inhale to reach your hands all the way up into this nice big low lunge. Let your hips feel really heavy here. Continue to press the hips forwards and down. Taking a few deep breaths, and if it feels good to take hold of opposite elbows, we might hold opposite elbows, shine your heart up. Take a full breath here. And then release, plant the hands to the floor, pick up the back knee and step the right foot back into your high plank. Take the gaze in between the hands, keep the core engaged, and as you exhale, slowly lower all the way down to your belly. As you inhale, untuck the toes, roll the shoulders back and lift into a cobra. Keep the shoulders back and the elbows hugging in towards your rib cage. Both legs are out nice and long behind you. Your chest is open. Take one more big inhale. And then exhale, slowly lower back down to your belly. From here, tuck the toes under, roll over the knees and meet me in a downward facing dog. Lift the hips high and back. Downward facing dog. Maybe we pedal out through the feet. Nice, and then come back into center. Send your gaze forwards and make your way to the top of your mat using as many or as little steps as you need. And then roll yourself all the way up and come all the way into standing. As we inhale, we lift the hands up to the sky. As we exhale, bend the elbows, shine your heart up. Squeeze your shoulder blades to the back and press your hips forwards. Take a full breath here. And then exhale, bend the knees and release all the way down into your forward fold. On your next inhale, straighten the legs and find a little halfway lift. The tailbone is reaching back. Shoulders are back, maybe we're looking forwards. We'll take one more full breath here. And then exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands either side of your feet, and this time step the right foot back. Keep the right toes tucked under, but lower the right knee to the floor, and inhale as we lift the hands up into a big low lunge. Feeling the strength in this pose, fingertips are reaching high. And if it feels good to take hold of opposite elbows, we might hold on to opposite elbows and open up the chest. Take a big breath in and a full breath out. And then release the hands, send them either side of your front foot. Lift the back knee off the floor and step your left toes back into your high plank. Keep your gaze in between your hands, the core is engaged. Take a big inhale and exhale, slowly lower all the way to your belly. Untuck your toes and inhale to roll the shoulders back and shine your heart space forwards. Take one more full breath here. And then on your exhale, lower all the way back to the floor. Slide those hands back and press into your child's pose. The knees can be together or apart. The head can be on the mat or maybe on top of your hands. And just take a few slow breaths here. Just taking a second to notice any sensations that you might feel in and around your body. Start to notice how you're feeling physically, energetically, emotionally. Take just a few more deep breaths here. And then when you're ready to release, we can do so by lifting the gaze, walking the hands back towards the knees and coming into kneeling. And thank you so much for practicing with me this morning. I hope you are feeling good. If you are, you can let me know in the comments. But thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more from me, please subscribe. And whatever you are doing, have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.